Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the adapter is MFI certified and the Lightning port is free of debris. This prevents poor contact or errors. Next, power on the TV and select the HDMI input you'll use so the signal can be detected immediately. Once done, plug the HDMI cable into the adapter and then into the TV. Make sure any optional power cable is connected to the adapter to supply stable voltage and avoid intermittent disconnections. You now plug the Lightning connector firmly into your iPhone or iPad. A loose fit causes flicker. Once connected, make sure the TV's input matches the HDMI port and wait. Some devices need 5 seconds to negotiate resolution and HDR settings. If the screen doesn't mirror automatically, open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring to select the adapter. For audio routing, adjust the device's volume, and if you prefer external sound, pair a Bluetooth speaker or set the TV's speakers as the output. To finish, confirm everything is seated correctly. Lightning in the device and HDMI in the TV. Small misalignment causes no signal. If the image is unstable or stretched, change the TV picture mode or adjust display zoom on your device. This corrects aspect ratio and overscan. If you still have issues, restart both the iPhone/iPad and the TV and try a different HDMI cable or port. One key troubleshooting tip: swapping the HDMI cable often isolates whether the adapter or cable is the problem.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.